Thanks is the all viewers. Nice to our Skisok and fine to rice. All finishing is the family Kistipara, but how to get is like to block. This is a soil and English block. Nothing in something problem is very finishing. How to as and farmer and worker is strong, very strong in all complete is work, very strong. And old man is all rice is this is a finishing setup our and Kistipara. My name is Badars. Abdul Jalil is old man, is the finishing family boys is the finishing to set up, but how to is get up is nothing, not is problem. This is a and dock farmers rice. How to dock beautiful is strong dock. Come to back is my is every people is look come to is very is the English block my and nothing is the problem is our get up is nice to meet is the problem. Nothing not is the very strong is bless picture. Come to next program is the coming. How to is the gate? Nothing not is the problem. This is a bless my famous and bit. Our is a bless and a dhamrai. This is the antilarukunda and Kistipara. How is the rice and iri dhan and because is all clear is a very nice to meet is our investment is your is a cutting is a tool this dhan and very nice is beautiful and nice. How to is a very good is no problem is to house and very nice to meet is good to and how to can is very nice. Good is the man and worker is very hard is the rice is the house is confirm is finishing the rice beautiful and worker is family in rice to Basta is very good and rice to our two man and this is a very good. Hello how to is the very nice is the problem. Go to is कौ इंग्लिश पारा ना तुम इंग्लिश ते जो दान गुला जो लो कारेक ने अल्लाह तुम्हार नाई दान नाई दान नाई वैसे मोटामुटी कोई पाखी काटा হইছে
মোটামুটি 14 ডিসেম্বর কাটাইছে
14 ডিসেম্বর কাটা হইছে ফলন ভালো হইছে হ্যাঁ ওকে গুড ইজ ভেরি নাইস ইজ টু রাইস হাউ টু হ্যাপি ইন ওয়ার্কার ইজ ফার্মার but wall and old very good is price to how this is a Shubha is very good man and how to into good she kintu ekta good uraitase Shubhare kintu she lagteche aজকে তাই না you are and very nice your and stock and gori uray naki তুমি হাইটে দিছ